Hi guys, I'm super excited because this is my first time breaking or cracking coconut. I don't know how do you people call it. Is it cracking or breaking? Any of the above. But this is my first time. So anytime I feel like eating coconut, I go to plug one because we have this big coconut tree in my compound. Anytime I feel like eating it, I go to plug and I beg my siblings to help me break the coconut. But today there's nobody at home and I seriously need to drink gari with block and coconut, and the block was already melting, so I got tired of waiting and I decided to break the coconut myself. So after removing the back with knife, I decided to try this method. So for this there are two methods. It's either you're removing it with hot water or you're removing it with fire. That's actually the method I know. If you don't want to use big hammer or hit it hard on the floor till it breaks, you can either do the hot water method or the fire method. So for the hot water method, all you need to do is you're going to boil your hot water. Then once the hot water is already boiled, you put your what's it called, coconut there in the water. So the water will still be boiling with the coconut in it. You're going to leave it on fire for like 3 to 5 minutes. Around that time, then you take it off. Then the coconut will come off, the back of the coconut will come off easily. But if you don't want to do that method, you can actually do this method. So you can use your gas, fire, any fire at all. I don't feel like wasting gas, so I decided to do firewood. I have no idea how to make firewood, but at least I tried. All I know is that you have to burn leaves and stick to make fire. So that was what I tried doing. I almost burnt the whole compound. Anyways, at the end of the day, I got what I wanted. I got to roast the back of the coconut. So yeah, you just have to put the coconut on fire for 3 to 5 minutes also, or you put it on fire till the back is completely roasted. Yeah, so you just put it on fire till you're done roasting the back. So while doing this, I noticed the coconut was already cracking up. That was when I knew that okay, this would be very easy to come off. So since this is my first time, this method was actually very easy for me because I don't know, I don't think I have that strength to be using hammer to hit coconut or start hitting coconut with all my strength on the floor, because to me coconut is actually very hard to crack. But with this method, it is super easy, very 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 easy. So after doing all this, I just had to put the coconut in the fridge to cool up a bit so I can enjoy it with my gari. So let me know in the comment section, have you tried breaking coconut or cracking coconuts this way before? How do you crack your own coconut? I would love to know in the comment section. Have you tried the hot water method? Have you tried this fire method? Let me know. And please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as you can see, our coconut is ready. You can see that it is cracked already, even without me hitting it on the floor or hitting it with anything. You can see it's already cracking up. So next thing I did was I just had to hit it on the floor to remove the shelf. But this was actually easier than the normal hitting on the floor without this method at all. So yeah, I was supposed to remove the water from the coconut first, but I actually don't know how to do that. And if I had hit the coconut on the floor gently, the water would have still been intact because the coconut will not crack. But because I don't know how to do all that, and I don't have the patience to be hitting it gently, I just have to hit it hard to remove some parts so that my knife can go in. And as you can see, the knife went in smoothly, it was very easy, and I removed the coconut back without completely destroying or completely cracking or breaking the coconut. And this is my coconut. Would you believe this is my first time? Look, neat work. I'm super proud of myself. So yeah, this is the end result of the coconut, and now I just washed it and I'm going to put it in the fridge like I said, and when it cools down a bit, I'm just going to use it to enjoy my gari and sugar and milk and blocks swimming in it. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out our channel for other interesting content, and let us know what other video you would love to see on our channel. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Super thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.